What if your best ideas are already there waiting to be discovered? Hi, I'm Moshe Katz and welcome to iGenius, Unlock Your Creativity with AI. Creativity isn't about following the rules, it's about knowing when to break them. It's about asking different questions, seeing possibilities where others see limits, and pushing ideas beyond what seems possible. And now, with AI, you have the tool that can take your imagination further, faster, and make your ideas real in ways you never expected. This course is for everyone who wants to be creative. AI isn't there to replace your originality, it is here to push it further. You'll train your mind to think beyond conventions, explore new ideas, and use AI as a creative partner to generate concepts that go beyond what you thought was possible. We'll start by breaking down how creativity actually works, how curiosity, intuition, and experimentation shape the most original ideas. You'll relearn how to think freely, break patterns, and embrace the unknown. Then, we'll explore 5 essential questions that every great inventor asks. What is it made of? How does it feel? What does it dream to be? And what if? These questions will be guiding you in transforming abstract ideas into real sketches, structures, and designs. From the first rough idea to AI-enhanced visuals, you'll build a creative process that works for you. You'll experiment, refine, and push boundaries, combining hand-down sketches with AI-generated forms to create something completely new. Whether you're designing the future of architecture, crafting bold new products, or reimagining artist expression, you'll learn how to merge intuition and technology into one seamless creative flow. By the end of this course, you won't just know how to use AI. You'll see differently, think boldly, and create without limits. Let's get started.